Okay, so this is showing the difference between multiplying, adding, and subtracting. So adding and subtracting, so for these two, you have to have common denominators. For these two, you do not. So let's start with A. So we have 5/6. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to make them 4 tall. So first I'm going to show you 5/6. So I'm going to have 5 out of 6 of these colored in. And then I'm going to do 1/4. So I'm going to do my fourths this way. I color this in with orange, so I'm going to have 1/4 right here. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this on top of here. So you can see now, instead of having sixths or fourths, now we have 24ths. I know we can make that 12ths, but we can also make it 24ths. And we can see how many 24ths we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 24ths of the blue, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 24ths of the orange. So in total, we have 26 24ths, which is equal to 1 and 2 24ths, which is also equal to 1 and 1 12th. So if we just made them into 12ths, we can do that up here. 5/6, we would multiply by 2 over 2, and it would be 10 12ths. And then 1/4, we would multiply by 3 over 3, which would give us 3 12ths, which 10 12ths plus 3 12ths is going to give us 13 12ths, which is 1 and 1 12th also. Okay, so 12ths and fifths, we can see like with 12ths, we only have like 3 times 2 times 2 is 12ths, and fifths is just 5 times 1, so they don't have any common factors, so it's just going to be 60ths. So if I do 7 12ths and we multiply that by a 5 over 5, we get 35 60ths, and 2 fifths, we multiply that by 12 over 12, we get 24 60ths. So then we just do 35 minus 24, which is 11 60ths. All right, so over here for C, we can do the multiplication. So for multiplication, you don't have to find a common denominator. I mean, yeah, you just multiply the numerators. 3 times 2 over 8 times 3. And I can see that this is going to give me a giant 1. So I'm just left with 2 over 8, which I can say is 2 times 1 over 2 times 4. There's also my giant 1. So I'm just left with 1/4. And here we can say 4 times 7 for our numerator, and 5. And instead of putting 8, we can do 4 times 2. So I can take out this giant 1, and I'm left with 7 10.